I just want everybody to really lock in, tap in with themselves, and really just unlock this part of trading. Right now we floating 1,500. If we do get an opportunity, I'm taking it. If we pull back, I enter in. It's that simple. These are the profits right over here. Show y'all the ins and outs of exactly what it takes and what profitable traders do. Yo, what up squad? What's good YouTube? Welcome back into another video. And in the last video, bro, I told y'all gonna have to wait. Excuse me, my bad if I'm starting off a little too early, too fast. We kind of just picking up where we left off, but if you're new to the channel, if you're new to just viewing me and seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ep.15. For all y'all that been subscribed, you already know what time it is, bro. Especially when I'm in this attire, especially when I got this fit on. We escaping the motherfucking rat race, bro. We escaping the rat race. That's just what time we on. That's just how we starting the video. My bad for starting off too quick, too early. I was just ready to start throwing them punches. I'm gonna be real. But nevertheless, man, we right back into it. Starting it off Monday, early morning. Well, it's 11 in the morning. It's still early Monday. Hey, man, I got a couple updates for y'all that we just starting the video off with ASAP. Yeah. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Yeah. Like I said in the last video, y'all gonna have to wait and see what happened. And we don't have a decision just yet on the market that we took entry on. The last time y'all seen the market, it looked a little something like this. So as you can see, this is a screenshot of CAD JPY. This was my market that I ended up sending to the Discord community, along with all my other markets that I'm looking at for this week. But hey man, the whole point is to show y'all CAD JPY, and this is exactly around the same area that y'all seen it was in last time. This is on the daily time frame. And yeah, and now as I flip the camera around, I know we starting off early with it. Ain't been much of a conversation that we had just yet. I gotta show y'all, I just gotta bring it to y'all and give y'all the update as I'm watching it live. CAD JPY, my broker up top. This is the market over here. Right now we floating 1,500 to start off this early Monday morning, September 15th, 11:15 a.m. If I drop down into the time frames, y'all are gonna see exactly what I'm looking at. The last update that y'all got, we went break even. Now today, market pulled back. We started chopping around. We started having this same type of consolidation temporarily on a lower time frame within or close to this range, which I expected. And now I just expect price to push up and go straight to TP whenever it wants to. Take profit is up here. I'm just looking to take out this high, essentially. That's right over here. And the level above, I do see price hitting this, except I'm just willing to just get out at the high, which would still leave us with a profit of 4K. So right now, bro, we floating 1,500, and that is on this market. I was genuinely trying to capture an entry on film, on footage for y'all, but it's a new market that I ended up sending into the community last night. I showed everybody exactly what I plan on trading, exactly the markets I plan on making money with this week. And I mean, what else can I say? Other than the market that one of the markets that I have was ready. So what did I do? I entered in. And I entered in on my way to the whip, on my way to getting on break. Like, it just happened so fast, I couldn't miss the entry. It's a very, very clean market, bro. I couldn't miss out on it. I had to hurry up and enter in. So that's exactly what happened. We starting it off, man, again, USD CAD. As you can see, the market was chopping around. We built a level of support. Price ends up pushing up. We break this level of support. We pull back. I enter in. It's that simple. I caught an entry right there. As you can see, this is exactly where I'm at. And yeah, price is pushing down. I'm just aiming for the lows that's right beneath. And these lows, however, target these lows is actually, that's the level right there that I'm looking to take. However, on the weekly time frame, because the weekly looks so clean as well, y'all see that rejection? Y'all see that rejection from that EMA? To be real, we could probably push even lower than that. Like, to be real. You know what? I'm still good with just my 2K. This is basically the level that I'm aiming for right before that. So hopefully we hit there. As you can see right now, we're floating 600 bucks. As soon as we reach that 1-to-1, y'all already know what time it is. If you don't already, we protect the capital. That's exactly what's going on. So right now I'm monitoring the charts. I'm just paying attention to everything that price action is currently showing me, and I make a decision whenever price reaches my 1-to-1 level. 9 times out of 10, my decision is always to go break even. It's very rarely that I don't go break even at a 1-to-1 anymore, because my mindset is all the way like, why would I let price, in this example, put me up $1,000, right? Why would I just see $1,000 in the market just for it to all get stripped away? If it's gonna all get stripped away and we're gonna try to go back in the drawdown, I'd much rather just catch a better entry from that area, take another entry signal, find one if we get one, or I'm just completely okay with just avoiding that trade. How the hell you gonna put $1,000 in front of my face and then take all $1,000 away? However, I like to go based off of market structure, so then I still give myself a chance to re-enter just in case we don't break that structure. And yeah, that's just a part of the strategy. We ain't gonna go too deep into the strategy. If y'all wanna know more about the strategy, just wait for what's coming up next. We gonna get y'all some more details, but it's too early in the video to be giving all this information out, bro. It's too early to be giving out all this information. Just sit back, just ride. We gonna see exactly how this video plays out. I'm excited. We got the start of the new week, bro. It's Monday morning, like I've already said, September 15th. Hey, we just looking to create new profits within this new week. New progression, new everything, man. You already know what time it is, bro. It's IFN. We got a beautiful trading day ahead of us. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with everything that's going on. And yeah, man, let's rock out.
Difficult to learn is that you really don't need lots of skills. You just need a genuine winning attitude. Experiencing a few or more winning trades can make you feel like a winner, and that feeling is what sustains the winning streak.
Hey, man, what's good, squad? We back. Back again, man, at the 9-to-5 job. I know every time I've been picking up the camera, it's always just me in the car posted up, sitting, chatting, and talking to y'all. That's because majority of the time, I'm always in the car, sitting down, chopping it up, and talking with y'all, bro, early in the morning. Before I go in and do my physical work, I do my real work. I sit down, I speak to y'all, and we get straight to business. Hey, as you heard in that last clip, if you ain't, y'all got to tap into it, bro. Tap in, clear your mind, grow in the psychology aspect. That's something that I do often, not gonna lie. I don't document that. And I feel like the whole point of these videos is to be as transparent as possible, show y'all the ins and outs of exactly what it takes and what profitable traders do. At least this is what I do. I constantly just give myself a refresher just over just the whole psychology of trading. You know, it don't matter what stage I'm at. It don't matter where I'm at in my journey. Psychology is always the main thing. It's always something that you just have to have a grasp over. You just have to be in control of your mind. To be real with y'all, I be bumping that Mark Douglas very often, very consistently. I just like to listen to the audio of trading in the zone, like trading in the zone audio. I just like to get it in my subconscious. Even if I'm just doing something small, I'll be fucking cleaning up, just bumping trading in the zone like it's some music, bro. Like, I'm gonna be real with y'all. So yeah, I don't know, I just embed it within my head constantly just so I can just stay on top of my game and continue to collect these profits consistently. That's the whole thing that I want to do. And talking about profits, talking about collecting it consistently, hey, we got an update. Market breakdown update on CAD JPY and USD CAD. Y'all ain't going to miss out. We early in the morning with it, so you already know what time it is before we get into this. Coffee on hand. We got CAD JPY. Hold up, my sip. I need to take it real quick. Hey, man. Good morning.
What do you mean by that?
But hey, we got CAD JPY right here on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, price is consistently pushing in the direction that we anticipated. Overall, I could still see price reaching these highs. We are on a bullish uptrend. Specifically on the lower time frames, we did break the trend. However, I'm already aware that on the lower time frames, the support and resistance levels aren't as respected as they normally are on the higher time frames, which is why my daily support is still down here and still intact, is because it's a lot stronger than this 30-minute support, which is right here, that got broken. I'm okay with that. I can accept that. This level breaking, this is like my first level of defense. It doesn't really bother me. Now, if my last level of defense gets broken, oh nah, now we in trouble. I don't like that. Yeah, the trend is going to change a lot. Just how this resistance is probably going to get broken eventually, because we're going to disrespect this level just how we disrespected this one. And then we're going to continue to create market structure into the direction of overall TP. However, we are out of this trade. I'm gonna be real, we're out of this trade, bro. We're out of this trade. And it's because we pulled up to the high. I got an aggressive push down around this area and I hopped out, and I'm gonna show y'all the results. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Let me cook real quick, because now we move on to the next trade from CAD JPY all the way over to USD CAD. Oh shit, hold up. USD CAD. There we go. And as you can see, bro, this was a very, very, very clean setup. Very clean trade. a nice beautiful 1 to 2, and we're still continuing to lows. I put this right here just for clean purposes. I don't really trade like channels or whatever you want to call it. I don't really trade this shit. I was just looking at it, and yeah, I entered in on the pullback. Y'all see exactly how we bled out. Look at this, man. Look at this trade, bruh. Now, if I was taking it to this level, this would be a nice 1 to 3.5. However, I got out around my 1 to 2.8, and that was good enough for me. I can see this right here happening too. Like, we already had this break, price pullback. Now I can see us taking out these lows, breaking belief. This next structure point, coming down here, retesting, and continuing in the direction of the trend. So ideally, this is what I want to see with this market. Best entry is from where I entered at, and then just to hold through this whole thing. I'm not in it to be in it that long. I'm not trying to be in it that long. If we get another pullback, I'll take another entry. I just want consistency. I just want consistent results. So that's all I seek. And yeah, a 1 to 2.8 was solid for this move. As y'all see, the markets already done did what they did. I ain't gonna lie, I could fuck around just in the video at this point. Like, it's like, nah, let me chill. Nah, let me chill. The markets are doing what they're doing. It's only Tuesday, so we got a lot more like potential that could be headed towards us this week. And I plan to continue to trade this week. If I get another setup, I'm gonna document it. If I got anything else going on, I'm gonna document it. So you can see the time we opened the trade. You can see how long we held it for whenever we closed. This trade was opened up on the 9th of September. We closed it on the 15th. Then you see the USD CAD trade, in which was open on the 9/15, closed 9/15. You got the same time. Took the sales. These are the profits right over here for both markets. And yeah, this was that small position I had in the other video. It ended up just getting taken out. So we did make $600. I didn't even include that in the last video, but yeah, that's what we looking at right now. 2,500, 2 bands, and 600. We up like 5K for the week. 5K gross so far. We not looking bad. I'm gonna be real. I seen another setup. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I passed up. I seen it last night. It looks decent, but I didn't take it, and I threw it in the Discord just in case. Just in case I did. I told everybody like I got an idea on this setup, and I'm gonna show y'all too. Threw this in there last night around 9:30. Idea on GBP NZD. This was how the market was looking on the 4-hour time frame. If I go over here, back onto the market, GBP NZD on the 4-hour time frame, the market has pushed. It just wasn't the cleanest to me. Like, I wanted to see a little bit more. I want to take an entry like a little bit lower. I didn't want to get into this market, so we're not entering in, and we're just gonna be patient for a better setup. I do have plenty other markets over here to my right that I will continue to search for my setup on, just in case we have potential and more opportunities. But as of right now, man, we don't have no more trades. But yeah, that's basically it for right now. I know I just been catching y'all early in the morning whenever it's just like right before I go into work. I'm trying to do better at picking up the camera and putting it in at valuable moments, valuable times. However, it just don't work out like that all the time. Not all the time is just that clean. Not all the time is shit just going that smooth. So, you know, I just take it and we roll. But we continue to grow every single day. We continue to grow every single moment. I'm just here to show y'all the results. I'm just here to show y'all everything that y'all came to these videos for. To deliver, to be transparent, to show that this trading shit is real. It's crazy, man. This shit's insane. I just want everybody to really lock in, tap in with themselves, and really just unlock this part of trading. Like, I know it's a lot more to this, and we growing slowly but surely. And I'm just happy to document this and be able to share it with y'all and be as transparent as possible. But yeah, to anybody that's watching these videos, just lock in, man. This shit is real, bro. This shit is real. I don't know what else to say other than I'm gonna get up with y'all after work more than likely, or if we get another setup, or if there's just something to talk about. So y'all just stay posted. I'm gonna drink this coffee as we prepare and get ready to go in. I ain't gonna lie, I burnt my tongue earlier and I left that shit out. My shit fucked up right now. Like, my shit cooked, I'm gonna be real. But I'm gonna get up with y'all more than likely here shortly, later on in the day. I don't know, we got a long day ahead of us, long day at work. We about to clock in, but it don't matter because we locked in. And that time of us locking in is gonna outweigh the time of us clocking in. Just wait, just watch. We escaping this motherfucking rat race. I'm gonna see y'all here soon. Squad, we back, man. We currently at the crib. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Today has been a very good day. We done already got a lot of stuff done, a lot of stuff checked off the list, and you know what? I didn't bring the camera around too much. Matter of fact, I don't even think y'all know what day it is because I don't remember the last time I picked up the camera and I talked to y'all. Today is Wednesday, man. Wednesday the 17th, and currently we at the crib, like I said earlier. So it's not really much else left for me to do today besides just get to work, grind out on the computer, get some more stuff done. I don't think y'all really want to see that. That's going to be kind of boring. So, right now, before we go ahead and lock in, we is about to. We about to go ahead, head to that smoke session. I got a nice little meal waiting for me as well after we finish up smoking. So, in the meantime, though, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to catch y'all in the smoke session, man. Don't wait. Go ahead, grab your snacks, grab all that good stuff while we post up, vibe, and smoke. Good morning, squad. We back. I didn't give y'all an update last night on the markets because honestly, I just didn't see any potential entries. However, it's the next day, it's the morning time. You already know where I'm at. I'm in the whip, so I'm getting ready to be headed into work here soon. But nonetheless, man, the point of me picking up the camera and recording this part of the clip is because I noticed something. I noticed a market that I like. I noticed a market with potential, and I may just take this entry New York session depending on how price action plays out, how we end up looking overall. And that's why I'm here to show y'all the market that I plan on trading or that I just see potential in right here, right now. Before we get fully into it though, as y'all can see, this is another market that I had called out. This is GBP NZD. I said it's starting to look clean. This is on 9:15 at 9:33. So like around 10 o'clock p.m. I know this GBP NZD looked like it had a nice potential to buy, nice to the upside. However, I did pass up on this opportunity. I didn't take the trade, but if we go over the trading view, bruh, look at this market. Like, look at this, bro. This is literally the same market that I highlighted in the Discord community. I sent it out to the team. So if you did take this trade, I passed it up. This was a potential money move. Look at this push, bro. Like, I anticipated this. I just wanted to see. I wanted a better entry, so I ended up passing up. I'm like, you know what? This is the area where y'all see that little arrow at, in which I was looking to take the trade. This is it right here on the screenshot. This is how we look. This is the 4 hour, and this is how we're looking right now. So, yeah, I mean, this had potential. Clearly, everything played out clean. This is just kind of more so of a personal thing. I just want to see more of a deeper pullback before I entered in the market. But we all good, man, because we have a new market. And the new market that I'm looking at currently is USD JPY. Honestly, man, it's real simple. Before we go into the 4 hour, I want y'all to see this daily. On a daily time frame, I just want to see a shift structure. We got the shift. We are now below the EMA. We're pulling back and we're starting to potentially reject it. Today might be the day that an indecision candle gets printed off. So if I see us break structure on the lower time frames, like the 15-minute, the 30-minute, the hour, whatever the time frame may be that looks clean to me, whichever one could give me the entry, that's the one I plan on taking a trade with. This is on the 15-minute time frame. I'm not against something like this. If we decide to break this high, this current high that we just made, just to then break the low, I will be entering in for quick sells, targeting my levels below. I do see a solid setup brewing in the near future. So if we do get an opportunity, I'm taking it, because why not? It just has to fit within my risk reward. That's really it. I mean, I don't have no reason to not get in. I don't have a reason to get in and jump the gun. We've already made profit this week, like I said, but at the same time, what the hell am I not getting in for if I see my strategy and it's very clean, everything is setting up right? I'm just hopping in. Like, I'm hopping in. What up, y'all? I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm near the end of the video. We editing the end, and I noticed that I never put an ending in here for y'all. So I'm back and I'm on the camera. Excuse the bonnet on my head. I know I'm waking up. I'm looking kind of rough. We about to go hit the gym, to be real, but I gotta get this content out for y'all. So I'm on my way, just trying to hurry up and finish it up for y'all so we can get this shit done and get on to the next one, because y'all gonna want to see what the hell going on next. But before I get too ahead of myself, I've been jumping ahead this whole video. As you can see, I ain't gonna lie, my mind just been boom, 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 boom. But I need to ease it up a little bit. Let me ease it back. But I wanted to tell y'all a little bit about the trades that we was talking about a little bit ago. To further update y'all on that USD JPY market, we never ended up taking a trade. We haven't taken that position. It just didn't give us the confluences that we needed. So what happened? We didn't get in. And honestly, in that video in specific, we never ended up catching that entry. We moved on to other setups, and yeah, that's for new videos, so we ain't gonna speak on that too much. But hey, like I said though, no trade on USD JPY, no trade to end that week off, no trade. We just closed the week in profit. So this is my fault for not just giving y'all the update even earlier, but I've been supposed to put this out. But yeah, that's why we getting it out today. So don't worry, man. We got some more coming. Don't think I just been sitting back, ain't been cooking up. I've been cooking up the whole time, fam. But that's where we gonna leave off this video. That's where everything gonna come to a closing. And I just wanna let y'all know, I appreciate y'all so much for sticking around and tuning in. Thank you. If you watch this video to the full end, to the full length, I know who you is, man. You squad, you IFN squad. Keep on watching, keep on supporting the channel. We got a lot more content coming out on the way. And if you're a trader, if you're somebody who needs a community, a brotherhood, a sisterhood, a family of like-minded individuals who are constantly escaping the rat race, just like me and several other people who are in the community, make sure to click the link down below in the description. Like I said, man, we got some more coming out on the way, so stay tuned. But yeah, I'ma see y'all. I'ma get up with y'all, man. Peace out.